So welcome back my friends. From this section onwards we are going to build the mobile app and we are going to develop this e-commerce mobile app from the scratch guys. So in this section we are only going to build the design of this app and we are not going to integrate any logic or database integrations to this app because after this section we are going to build the logic once we completed the design. So this is the correct structure and we need to maintain that architecture in order to avoid some unnecessary confusions. So yes, if I go to screens here, and as you can see, this was our splash screen. This was our login or onboarding screens here. This was our home page, notifications or orders, search filter, product page, cart checkout, and finally settings here. And yes, we are going to build this 38 screens mobile app design from the scratch guys, and I am going to show you the best practices so you can follow me along and you can complete the design of this app in this section. After this section we are going to build the correct logic for our app, making sure our website and app are connected like that. So first things first, so this is our splash screen. After some seconds we will be redirected to this screen where it was going to show us the sign in screen. So if we entered our email address and if we clicked on continue, we will be redirected to this screen where it was going to ask us the password. If we clicked on here, create one. If you don't have account, create one. If we clicked on here, we will be redirected to this screen where it was going to ask us to create account on our app. So if we clicked on here, reset password, or here in this screen, reset password, we will be redirected to this screen here where it was going to ask us the email address to send the link to that associated email address. When we click on continue, we will be redirected to this screen. We sent you an email to reset your password. The message is like that. So if we clicked on here, create account, or here continue, these buttons, we will be redirected to this page here. We will redirect user to this page here. It behaves like a onboarding screen asking us to enter some details of ourselves like that. When we click on finish here, we will be redirected to home page, and the home page was looking like this, consisting header, search bar, categories, top selling, new in, and finally a tab navigation bar. So if you see here, there are no tab navigation bar here, but here for this screen we have our tab navigation bar. And yes, we are going to build exactly pin to pin looking like this structure for our mobile app design. So as you can see, this is our screen home page. So when we click on see all categories, we will redirect user to this page here, shop by categories. When he clicked on here hoodies categories, he will be redirected to this page where it was going to show all of the available products on that specified category like that. And coming to here, if you see, it was active color which was purple color, and it was indicating that we are on home page. And if we clicked on here notifications, if we clicked on here, and as you can see, it was now active here. So if we clicked on here, we will redirect user to this page or this page here. If they are having any notifications, we are going to display a list of notifications here like this. Otherwise we are going to display like this, display the screen like this, no notifications yet. Now, and as you can see, now if we clicked on here, it was indicating orders here. So if the user was not having any orders, we are going to display this screen here. Otherwise we are going to display the list of orders he placed earlier, like that. If we clicked on one of the order, he will be redirected to this page here, order number, and we are going to display that order details to the user, like that. Now same goes for here, and as you can see there is no tab navigation bar for this screen, and yes, we ensured that also, we covered that also. Now if anybody comes to categories page and searched for any category name here, then we are going to display this screen or this screen based on the search. So if he searched for any category name consisting blouse and jean, for example, like that, if our database is not having that category, we are going to display this screen here. Otherwise, if database has found that specified category name, we are going to display this screen here, like that. We are going to display this screen if our database found that category name, and we are going to display the number of product items that are in that categories, like that. So not only that, we are also going to perform some of other operations, like if we click on sort by option here, we are going to display this dryer that was coming from bottom of the sheet, bottom of the screen, like this. And yes, when we clicked on recommended, it was going to show us the recommended products like this. By default, this is the option. When we clicked on newest here, we are going to sort them by the newest product items. So the newest created product items are listed from this position here, and lowest to highest price. So when we click on here, so the lowest to the highest price products are sorted, and finally highest to lowest price here, like that. Now if we click on gender here, we are going to have three options: men, women and kids. So when by default it was selected to men here, so when we clicked on women, we are going to sort it by that gender here, like that. Same goes for kids. And coming to the deals here, so when we clicked on sale here, this is the deal. When we clicked on here, by default the option was on sale. When we clicked on free shipping ever eligible, we are going to display the products which are eligible for free shipping, like that. And finally a price here. So when we clicked on price here, we are going to display this dryer here, which was asking us to enter minimum and maximum prices here, like that. Now after that, we are going to have product page here, where we are going to display the product details, like this. And yes, we are going to build exactly looking like this structure for our app, so don't worry about that. So when we click on color here, we are going to display this bottom dryer here. When we click on size here, we are going to display this size dryer here. And finally this page here, your cart is empty. So if we click on here, let me go to here, and yes, if we click on here cart, we will redirect users to this page here. So if he was having any cart items, we are going to display this cart screen like that. Otherwise we are going to display this screen here, your cart is empty, explore categories. And yes, after that, when we click on checkout, this will takes us to checkout page here, where it was going to ask us to add shipping address and payment method. So yes, after adding those shipping address and payment method, and when we click on place order, if the order was successfully placed, we are going to display this screen here, order placed successfully, like that. And if you come to here, this is the settings here, which was the profile page here. So as you can see, it was indicating that we are on the profile page here. So when we click on address here, and as you can see, there is no tab navigation for this screen, and we will redirect users to address page here. So yes, so when we click on here, add shipping address, we will redirect users to this screen here, add address, like that. And when he clicked on here, like here, add payment method, we will redirect users to this page here, payment screen, like that. And when he clicked on here, he was going to ask to enter some card details here, and when he clicked on save, our database will save that card. Finally, a wish list here. So where was the wish list here? So yes, so finally wish list here. So under our wish list, we are going to have our my favorite option here. So when he clicked on this my favorite here, we will redirect users to this page, my favorites, like that. So when he clicked on here, when he clicked on this icon here, this heart icon here, that means he was interested on that product, so he added to the favorites and not the cart. So when he clicked on here, this product will be added to this screen here, my favorites, like that. So yes, that's it for this entire screens guys, and entire design of this Figma app design, and we are going to build this. See you on the next lecture guys. Thank you.